traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. This deep explanation video will be again mind-blowing, yes, because today I'm going to talk about how to trade and how to predict next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks, yes. And this is some topic which a lot of my students and a lot of my subscribers are asking me. If you want some kind of video, please send me your request, yes, your wish, via email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. I will see if I find the time to cover this. If these are topics which are really important, I will cover them for sure. And because so many asked me to this one here, how to predict the next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks, yes, and candlestick psychology, I'm doing this great video. But before I'm going to start, something from my heart, I wish you all a happy new year, yes, a happy new year to all of you, yes, my fanboys, my haters, yes, my subscribers, my non-subscribers, each of you a happy new year, yes. 2020 will be a nice year for all of you, yes, and especially for those one who are following my YouTube channel. The first thing what I have to announce is you can win again money, yes. Next week I will announce the winner of the prize money from this week. So to win this money you need only to comment below my video, yes, do a comment below my video to win the money next Saturday. I will give away $10 again, yes. So if you want this $10, you can comment below my video. And yes, and now we are going to start. Let me first off do some kind of analysis here, candlestick and chart, candlestick chart analysis. Here, what do we have here? We have here reversal, yes, here we have a dark cloud cover, a retracement, then we got a trend continuation, then we got a pullback from the 200 EMA. And what will happen next? Next, I am pretty much sure that the next candle, because of the process of elimination, which I have explained in the latest videos, the next candle will be most probably a bearish one, yes. And why it would be a bearish one? Because we got here the touch of the 200 EMA. After this long wick, which is showing, yes, a huge buying pressure. Why? Because it's ultra long, yes, at a specific amount of greatness of the upper shadow, it will change. I have explained this in my latest deep explanation video. Watch it, yes, then you will understand this. If this wick becomes ultra long, it will change the pressure, yes. And in this kind of case, because it didn't work out, because this candle was not bullish, because after this candle it would have been a bullish one, but because it touched the 200 EMA, yes, this next candle, yes, was a bearish one. And because of this kind of consolidation area between the 20 and the 50 EMA, the next candle will be most probably a bearish candle, because we are going into a pullback and in a minor downtrend in this kind of ranging market, because we have still a major downtrend, yes, because you see the 200, the 100, the 50 and the 20. So that is this one, yes, that was the analysis of this part. This candle stopped here only because of this support and resistance level here, yes, this kind of area. And the next candle will be most probably a bearish one, because we see here a lot of selling pressure, yes, because it didn't unfold like it should, yes, because after such kind of candle, yes, somebody would expect here that the next candle would be a bullish one, but it was a bearish one. And that's the reason why you follow now the new upcoming minor downtrend. So that was this one, yes, the analysis of the last Friday evening, yes, closing session, yes, the closing session of the New York session on Friday evening. So let me see now what we are going to next. Yes, next I have today to prepare something really amazing, really mind-blowing, something what will make you money for sure if you are applying it like I explain this. Yes, I will show you this also on live chart, so that you cannot tell me that I'm showing those kind of things only on theory, because I get a lot of comments where everybody tells me, yes, blah blah blah, theory, blah blah blah. Yes, but without the theory you are not able to apply this in practice. So I will show you this now. Yes, and those kind of things which I'm teaching you here, yes, those things what I'm explaining you here, nobody will tell you this for free. That is what other scammer, liar, and betrayer are asking money for. Yes, and I'm giving this kind of information for free. Yes, and I want only that you appreciate it, like I wanted that you appreciate this stuff which I have done with my free ebook 2 years ago, when I have given it for free. Nobody was appreciating it, but I don't care about it. I give this kind of information for those one who are appreciating it, and that is the only important thing. So let me see what I can do. But before we are going to start, I have to I have to talk about my products, obviously. Yes, because I get always the same question. Yes, where can I find the BOTT price action guide? You can find the BOTT price action guide in the description. I don't know, but I hope this year I will get less those kind of questions. The BOTT price action guide can be found in the description. The BOTT price action guide contains only illustrations, no explanations. Yes, so you have to watch the videos to understand those things. Yes, and you have and there are no explanations. Then where can you find the BOTT price action bible? The BOTT price action bible can be found where? Exactly in the description. Yes, in the description you find the link. The BOTT price action bible is the ultimate, I would say it's the ultimate information source. Yes, for every kind of trader. It's not only for binary options, it's for Forex, digital options, FX options, for Forex, for stock exchange, yes, for cryptocurrencies, everything, because that concepts which are explained in the BOTT price action bible are valid for each and every financial instrument, for each and every time frame, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, for daily, monthly, yes, every kind of time frame, and obviously for any kind of broker. Yes, pocket option, expert option, Olymp trade, yes, IREX, IQ option, for each and every time frame, financial instrument, and any broker. This is a holy grail. It's not called for fun the BOTT price action bible, because here is explained everything what you need to become a trader. Yes, a pro trader. The concepts, everything. Yes, you have to study this kind of bible only, and then you will make money. Yes, if you are not making money, then I can only suggest to you to get the BOTT Mentorship program self-study modules, video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the advanced ones, for the medium ones, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pro. You find the video packs, yes, the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the description too. The BOTT price action bible, yes, in conjunction with the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4 are really dope. They are magic. They will make you money. Yes, that is what this is about. So many, and you can read this on my community page. Yes, there are so many people who are so happy that they have purchased the BOTT price action bible, that they have got the video packs, and that have brought themselves to a new level of trading. They are making money. Yes, the BOTT price action bible in conjunction with the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is that investment what you should do if you want to become profitable in the year 2020. Yes, that is now the time to invest. Yes, if you want to become profitable. Yes, and owning the market, because that knowledge what I'm giving away here on the BOTT price action bible and on my YouTube channel and on my video packs are really the ultimate informations. Yes, and you have to believe this, and you have only to apply those kind of concepts, and you will see how your trading will change, and it will change dramatically, positively. Yes, you will get really instant results. Yes, you have only to study those kind of stuff. So, and for those one who want to accelerate and who want to be mentored and get a leading, yes, and also in this case the right support, yes, they can apply still for the BOTT mentorship program pro plan. You can for doing this, yes, you can still doing this. I don't know how long you can do this, yes, because I'm telling this already, but I will not do this forever. I told this already. I'm still trying to complete those kind of students which I have, yes, and in this time you can still apply for it, yes, and to apply to the BOTT mentorship program pro plan, you need only to send me an empty email to my boturbotrader@gmail.com email address, yes, and then the application process will enroll. The application process is for free, yes, and it will show you also your weaknesses and your your skills, and you will understand immediately if you are able to go through it, yes, and if you are able to become a trader, because I will not accept everybody. I accept only those one who get through the application process, yes, because my time is precious. The time is the only thing what you cannot waste. Time is really the most important thing in your life. So okay, that is this one, yes. You find the video packs in the description. You find the ebook, the Bible in the description, yes. And to join the BOTT mentorship program, you need to apply for it, and that means you have to send me an empty email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. And then you will start and enroll the application process. The application process is 8 steps, yes, which you have to go through. They are not so easy, yes. They are also time consuming, but that are important to understand if you are really willing to do this, yes. Because a lot of you are telling me that are willing to do this, but they are not willing, yes, because they are having other priorities, yes. If you want to become a trader, you have to commit for it, yes. And if you are not doing the commitment for this, yes, that is wasting of time, and I don't want that you waste my time. In this case, that is the reason why I'm doing this application process. The application process is the assecuration for you, yes, the assecuration for you that you don't want to waste your time, and I don't want my time with you. That is what the application process is, and that is important that you have to go through it, yes. And I don't want to remember you, yes, and I'm not your babysitter that I have to remember you that you have to go through the application process. That is your thing, yes. You want to become a trader, yes, and then move your yes, and that is what this is about, okay? So that was enough now, and now we are going to go to this kind of mind-blowing stuff which I have prepared today. And today I have prepared for you the video how to predict the next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks and candlestick psychology. And I have to say this kind of information which I'm giving away to you for free today, yes, is really mind-blowing, and nobody else could tell you this. All this kind of stuff which I'm explaining in my YouTube videos is gained in years of experience. That is nothing what you can read in any kind of blog, any kind of website, or anybody would tell you, not even any kind of other mentors. Because this kind of stuff which I'm giving you on the silver spoon is making you immediately a good trader. The only thing is that everything is working together, like the gears on my BOTT BOTT logo. As you see, on my BOTT logo there are gears in the background of the robot. I can show you this here. As you see, there are gears. That means that everything is working together like gears. And I will show you also today how all these kind of things together are working. And it's difficult to understand those things by your own. And that's the reason why I'm doing this kind of stuff and explaining you that you need the BOTT price action Bible in conjunction with the video packs. Yes, because those two things together, you have the theory of the Bible, and then you get the information from the video packs, yes, where I show you the trades on live chart, yes, and I will show you today also how this concept, which I'm explaining you today, is working on live chart, yes. That is not something what I'm inventing, yes, that is all gained on my experience, and I have endless knowledge about trading, yes, and you will see this. I'm doing this already 2 years. I'm doing 2 years videos, and I'm explaining you everything in detail, and everything so deep and so profoundly that nobody else can do this, yes, like I'm doing this, because I have understood really how everything is working. I'm able to read the market like nobody else, and I will today show you this, and others are talking about something like this, yes, and others are telling you something, but nobody is going to tell you this what I'm going to tell you today. And next week, yes, when you have the possibility to win the $10, if you are commenting below this kind of video here, yes, you will see I will have another video, and I will show you another mind-blowing video, because this kind of knowledge which I have is not gained by reading some kind of blogs or some kind of website. This is experience, and I cannot name it often enough. So now we are going in this kind of topic, and now prepare to get mind blown again. But before we are going to do this, I have to show you the most important parts of the BOTT Price Action Bible, which you should cover. So the first thing what you need of the BOTT Price Action Bible is this page number 85. Page number 85, where I talk about how to spot the highest probability trading setups and high probability techniques. This page and of the BOTT Price Action Bible is already trading changing and life changing opportunity. What I have explained here is already dope. Yes, that is in the BOTT Price Action Bible. You have one, this page is there, yes, and you can read it, yes, and that is already one of the biggest secrets in the trading industry, yes, and nobody is telling you this, yes, that you have to wait for the reversal pattern and then you trade the trend continuation after the retracement, yes. You can do here immediately a put, yes, or you wait for another trend continuation pattern, and that is exactly that kind of stuff that are single candlestick patterns, single trend continuation patterns to do the trend continuation after here, and after the pullback. Yes, that are single trend continuation stuff. Yes, but now I'm going to show you the two candlestick pattern trend continuation, which are really high probability trading setup, and that is the reason why I called it how to predict the next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks and candlestick psychology. So page number 85 on the BOTT Price Action Bible. Yes, that is that one which you need. And I have to say, don't get the Bible from any other than me, because they are selling wrong versions of the Bible. I cannot tell you this often enough, yes, because they are trying to scam you. Yes, they are selling my Bible, but that is not my Bible. That is modified stuff, which modified affiliate links in between. They want only your money. Don't trust them. Don't buy it. You think you would save $10, you think you would save $20, or you think you would save $5, or you think you would save $2, but at the end you will pay for it extra. That means you will lose money because they are not giving you the right information. If you are not sure if you have the right version, contact me. I will show you if it would be the right version or not. But I want also to know who is giving this away, yes, and who is selling this, because I try to eliminate this kind of scammer. I want that this industry becomes clear, pure, that this industry stops to steal other people's money, and mostly from those one who need the money most than every other else. Yes, and that is what makes me really angry. Yes, there are so many people who need this money, but they are scamming them the money, and that makes me really angry. So okay, page 85, the highest probability trading setup, the 4 keys, yes, the trend, the key level, and the candlestick pattern, and the rejection. That was the first stuff. Yes, that is what everything is biting on. Yes, you wait for a reversal pattern. Here we have an engulfing candle, but it can be everything. Yes, and the next one is this page. Only to understand that what I'm explaining today. That is page 91. Page 91 is that one where I talked about the different market conditions, yes. That you do a call option on support in an uptrend, that you do a put option on resistance in a downtrend. That's basic stuff. Study these things. That are really the fundamentals. That are the basic stuff which you should know. Page 91 of the BOTT Price Action Bible. If you don't understand how to apply this kind of stuff in practice, get the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, you can start with video pack 1, and if you see an improvement in your trading, you can get the other ones. Yes, I don't selling them all in together. I sell them one by one because I want that you can see if it will help you, and if it's gonna help you, you can get the other ones. I can tell you only that those one who bought the video pack 1 bought also video pack 2, 3, and 4, because those kind of informations which I'm giving there away, that are those information which I'm giving my BOTT mentorship program students, and that made already so many consistently profitable. So that kind of stuff will change your trading dramatically. Yes, you will become a good trader, and that is applying of those kind of theories which I have explained in the ebook. So then we have this page number 292. Page 92, that is the candlestick psychology stuff, the cycle market of emotions. Yes, that is important that you understand that the market is going from optimism, yes, where the uptrend started, to an anxiety and denial and fear when the market is going to reverse. That is important that you understand that the market is moving in wave. Yes, you have to understand this, and that is explained here in this kind of page. Then we need the 90. The 100, yes, of the BOTT Price Action Bible, where I talked about how to read the direction of the candlestick momentum trading and price. That is what lower low and lower high is, yes, what higher high and higher low is. That is important. If you don't understand this kind of concepts, then you wanna fail. Yes, that is the basic stuff that is explained in the BOTT Price Action Bible over and over again, and that page is really important. Healthy market, uptrend, ranging market, consolidation, and flat market, healthy market. Yes, you see here downtrend, and then we have here up, down, candlesticks are forming higher highs and higher lows, then you have an uptrend. You will see how this kind of concepts are getting together today when I'm showing you how to predict the next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks and candlestick psychology. It's like gears which are working together. Okay, so let me see the next one. Then we have the 101 of the BOTT Price Action Bible, where we talked about how to trade the momentum trading based on inside outside swing trading. Here you see again higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Yes, that are concepts which are the basic. If you don't understand those concepts, if you never have seen these pages on the BOTT Price Action Bible, and you have never studied this kind of stuff, and you never heard about this, stop trading, search another profession. Yes, because you will lose only money, because higher high and higher low, yes, and lower low and lower high are basic stuff, that are the trend identification basic stuff. And if you don't understand trend, you cannot trade. Yes, because you need to understand this kind of concepts. So, and then we have the page 110. Let me see this, 110, and that is this one. And here you also, this is a Elliott wave theory, but this is not so complicated like it looked like, because at the end I want only that you understand that we are creating here higher highs, yes, and higher lows. And here we are creating lower highs and lower lows, yes, downtrend and uptrend. That are those kind of things which you should understand. And when a trend is going to fail, a trend will fail, the uptrend is going to fail when the point 4, that point, is going to break the territory of wave number 1, the point 1. Then the trend is over. Yes, the probability that the trend is over is high when this will happen. If this will not happen, you have still an uptrend. The same thing is here. If this point 4 is going to break the territory of the wave number 1, the point number 1, then the downtrend will be most probably stopping, yes, because it's a zigzag. Okay, I don't want to get too tough in this kind of stuff. You have to study this, watch this kind of stuff in the BOTT Price Action Bible, and then you will understand those kind of concepts. Like I told you, the video will be too long if I have to cover all this kind of stuff, which I have already explained over and over again, again in every video. Yes, that is what this kind of stuff, what I'm explaining here, is a concept. The whole concept, yes, I'm explaining you everything completely. That what I'm giving you here on my YouTube channel and on my BOTT Price Action Bible is all things together, brought together, yes, all brought together to understand how the market is working, yes, and nobody's giving you this, yes, and not even for that price, yes, it's like a gift for you all, because when I started to do this kind of stuff 2 years ago, I want to change this kind of industry. I want to help people, yes, and to prevent them to get scammed, and that is what I'm working for, yes, and that is what I'm going to work all my life. That is what I'm doing here. So, okay, and now we are going to the topic, yes, we are going to the topic, and that topic is how to predict the next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks, candlestick psychology, and I have prepared something for you. I have prepared something for you. Where do I have this? Let me see. I have prepared this and I have it here. Look at this. That is what I have prepared. I have done also here the entry candle. So let me show you, and I have to explain this because else you will not understand this. Yes, so why this looks similar to that one what I have shown you here before. Yes, that looks like this one here. How to spot the highest probability trading setups. Yes, and that is right. That is the next step. That is what I'm doing here in between of the reversal pattern. Look at this. I will explain this now in detail what's going on. You have this kind of movement. As you know, we have a reversal pattern after an uptrend. Reversal pattern after this we have a downtrend, then we got a bullish reversal pattern, and then we have an uptrend, then we are going to start here again, then we have a bearish reversal pattern, and then we are going into a downtrend. Bullish reversal pattern, uptrend, bearish reversal pattern, downtrend, and that is a cycle here. Yes, that is a cycle what is going on. That is what the market is going, and sometimes the uptrend will hold longer. Then we have an uptrend, yes, on a major time frame, and if the downtrend is longer, then we have a downtrend on a higher time frame. That is what this is about. So now we got, and that are the roots to apply this amazing trend continuation candlestick trading. How to predict the next candlestick. That are all this kind of stuff. I don't want them, that are nearly sure shots. That are sure shots. Yes. If you have this and you apply the roots which I'm telling you now, then you will make money for sure. You will make money for sure, because that are sure shots. I'm giving you here the secret how to trade sure shots, and I will explain you now exactly how this will work. You have an uptrend. Yes, that is the same stuff. You have this kind of cycle which I have explained here in the BOTT Price Action Bible. Yes, then you have a reversal pattern, a bullish reversal pattern. The next candle will be the retracement candle. I have explained this so often. I don't want to get this again and again. Those one who are following my YouTube channel and those one who have my BOTT Price Action Bible understand this kind of stuff. You have this retracement candle. It depends from the market condition. If you have a ranging market, you will get a retracement candle. If you have a trending market, this maybe will be less, yes, because if you have a downtrend, this retracement candle after a bearish reversal pattern will be smaller. But you get this reversal trend, and after this retracement, 1 second, I have to open the door for the dog. So okay, after this retracement candle, yes, after this retracement candle, you get this kind of candlesticks. Yes, that are only, I cannot say this, that are only examples. I will show you this later in the real chart, how this looks like, yes. Important is only one thing, and that is how everything is working together, yes. You have the highest probability trading shit, yes, that kind of stuff. and then you get this kind of stuff which I have explained now. That means you have the reversal pattern, then you have the retracement candle, which you could trade also, because I have explained this here. Yes, you do here a put option, yes, above the closing price of the previous candle. Then you get here, yes, the retracement candle, and that is giving you here away this kind of stuff which you would call the trading candle by candle. Yes, so you got the reversal pattern, you trade the next candle, the retracement candle, and then you trade the next candle, and then you get this kind of setup here. Yes, that is not that is a setup. How can you just call this? This is a ideal setup. That means you have to understand the concept, and the concept is here explained. Yes, this are creating lower highs. Yes, and these two candles are creating a lower high and a lower low. If you have this kind of two candles, and these are creating lower highs and lower lows, yes, you see this on this diagonals here, yes, then you can get into the next candle as a trend continuation, and that is nearly a sure shot. The same thing is valid after a pullback. I have explained this here. Look at this on the BOTT price action Bible. Yes, here's a pullback. The pullback, yes, and the same thing is valid for the pullback. If you have a pullback from an EMA, from a support and resistance level, from a trend line, from a Fibonacci level, from a Bollinger Band, from a round number, yes, from any kind of key level, and you get a retracement candle, and after the retracement candle you get two candles which are creating lower highs and lower lows, you can go into a put option on the next candle. So what is the difference between this one and this one? And the difference are the size of the candles. If you have two small candles which are creating lower highs and lower lows, then the next candle will be most probably this one, a huge candle. That will be a big victory candle. Yes, that is what this is about. Yes, the next one will be a big victory candle. Yes, because you have two small candles which are the initial start of a downtrend. And what is a downtrend? A downtrend is when the price is doing lower highs and lower lows. So the next one, so what is the difference between that and that? If you have huge candles, yes, the next candle will be a weak candle. Yes, but it will still a put. It will still a trend continuation candle. Yes, but why I'm telling you only to do this for two candles? Because you know after the third candle it can be a little bit risky, because after the third candle we have three black crows, and you know that after the three black crows will happen a retracement. That means the next candle could be a retracement candle, a bullish retracement candle. So don't do this after three candles, do it only after two candles, and then you will have a sure shot near trade. Yes, that is really dope. That is magic. Obviously you have to understand also a little bit the market condition and those kind of concepts which I have explained before, where I have explained this. Yes, especially that one which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible about how to spot the highest probability trading setup, because that is based on this kind of concept. Okay, so let me show you this also for the bullish one. For the bullish one, you have the down uptrend, then we got a reversal pattern, and then we get a bullish reversal pattern. What are the rules? The rules are that this candle is doing a retracement candle. Important is, and that is what a retracement candle is, it has to close, yes, or it has to touch at least the key level. I don't want to get this in again, deep again, yes. I'm expecting from you that you understand those concepts, that you study the ebook to understand this, yes, because at the end I cannot repeat it again. I'm doing this already so much, yes, and maybe I get again bad comments from users who are thinking that I'm repeating all this stuff again and again. Yes, but I have to do this because I have so many new users, new viewers, and new subscribers who do not know this kind of stuff. They are like principiants, yes, and I have to tell them this. Okay, so you have a reversal pattern, and after this reversal, retracement, sorry, we have a retracement, and after this retracement, we get two candles which are creating higher highs and higher lows. Important is here, that is higher high, that is higher low. This is lower high, that is lower low. This is lower low. You understand this, yes? And that is the rule. The rule is that you need a retracement candle, and after the retracement candle, yes, you need this kind of 2 candles, and then you can go into a trend continuation trade, and that is how you can predict the next candlestick with trend continuation candlesticks. Other are asking you money for this information, and nobody can bring it to you like me, because I'm experienced this, and you see this. I'm doing this here on a chart. I'm showing you this here on this kind of, I'm doing this kind of stuff here as a cheat, yes, how can I explain this? To study it, yes, you can study it. That is only ideal, but I will show you this in a few minutes on the live chart. So, okay, the same thing is valid. After the pullback, you get 2 candles which are creating here also higher high and higher low. That is why these lines are formed, and then you enter into a call on the next candle. That is the entry candle, that is the entry candle, that is the entry candle, yes, and that is the entry candle. And I'm doing here this arrow. What does this arrow mean? This arrow means not that the next candle will be a bullish one. It means that you have to do a call, and the call should be from this level here. Yes, from this level here should be coming the call as a trend continuation, because you know the entry point is important. Yes, and the same is here. The put option should be coming from this level here. Yes, and the same is here. The put option should be coming from this level. Yes, if you get a rejection from it, yes, else you try to get into it above the closing price of the previous candle. That are those kind of stuff which I'm telling over and over again, and you should know this already. Yes, I don't want to repeat this again and again. That is only stealing time and wasting time. So that are this kind of stuff, and that is already really important that you understand this, because if you know this, how to trade the trend continuation candlesticks and how to predict the next candle based on this kind of 2-bar candlesticks which are creating a trend. Yes, because that is nothing as a trend, because we are creating here lower highs and lower lows. Here we are creating higher highs and higher lows, and that means the next candle is with a high probability a trend continuation. Yes, that is nothing magic. That is what I'm telling you here, and that is what I'm giving you here for free. Yes, and that is what you have to understand. So, and now I'm showing you this kind of stuff because I get always this kind of questions from my subscribers, from my students, and from my audience, yes, and my viewers, who are asking me, show us this kind of stuff on real chart, because we don't understand this. I have to say, if you don't understand this, it's already a little bit critical, because I'm giving you this already on the silver spoon. Yes, and that means that you should understand this from your own. Yes, please switch on your brain. It's important that you switch on your brain. You cannot trade, else robots would already control the world. Yes, you have to switch on your brain. That's really important. So, okay, let me show you this now, this concept here on the chart, and I have prepared this already. Look at this. We are coming from a downtrend. We are going here into a reversal. We have here a pullback. We have here a pullback, and then we have a retracement candle. That is a retracement candle, and after this retracement candle, which touched the support and resistance level, we got this kind of 2 candles which are creating higher highs and higher lows. And what we are going to do on the next candle, we do a call on the rejection from this level, and that would be in the money. You see this? That is the rule. Yes, that is what I have explained. So here we have another one. Yes, we have here a reversal pattern. Yes, after the exhaustion candle, you see here, could trade also the exhaustion candle, which I have explained in another deep explanation here. So then we got a retracement candle. This retracement candle, after this retracement candle, we got 1, 2 candles which are creating higher highs. This is a doji, yes, but it doesn't matter. Important is only that we are creating higher highs and higher lows, yes, and then the next candle will be a huge victory candle. And here you see that what I have explained. If you have this kind of 2 candles which are small, yes, then you get a huge victory candle. That is this one, yes. And if you have huge candles, yes, you get a small one. Yes, that is what I have explained here. That is what this is about. Yes, that is how I'm giving you the knowledge. So, okay, that was it already. Don't forget to comment below my video to get the $10 next week. I will announce this next week on Saturday. And if you like this video, do a like. And if you didn't subscribe, subscribe now, yes, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I wish you a happy new year, and